Alright. Wonderful evening. Today is our presentation session. So I am Kashish and my presentation topic is the impact of microplastic on our planet. So let's begin with a definition of microplastic. Tiny plastic particle less than 5 millimeters, in size, resulting from the breakdown of large plastic particle, large plastic particle waste. Highlight the microplastic. Highlight the microplastic. Microplastic are now found in both the natural environment and inside living organisms, including humans. So, sources of microplastic. Two main sources of microplastic. Firstly, primary microplastic and secondary microplastic. Primary microplastic means internationally manufactured small plastic like microbeads in cosmetics or microfibers from synthetic clothes. Then secondary microplastic means created by the breakdown of large plastic product through ultraviolet exposure waves, action and other environmental factors. Then impact of environmental marine life. Microplastic are easily ingested by marine animals, which can block their digestive system and leading to starvation or death. Ecosystem damage. Our time microplastic affect the biodiversity and reduce the health resilience ecosystem. Human health risk. Injections and inhalations found in food, water and air. They enter our body. Human health risk may cause inflammations and hormone disruptions and could increase cancer risk. Then what we can do? Use less plastics. Choose the reusable items and single use of plastic. Then supports law that ban harmful plastic. So in conclusions, microplastic impact our environment, our environment and wildlife and human health. And with action, if we are using plastic, and support policies and at limiting plastic pollution, we can reduce impact of the microplastic for future generations. So this is all about my topic, and thank you for attention. If any question you may be asked.